Ready to transform your everyday eye makeup game? In this tutorial, I will guide you from beginner to bombshell with easy step-by-step eye looks perfect for any occasion. Let's get into the video. Okay, so transformation. Before we get into eye makeup, I'm going to show you guys how I get ready with me. So I'm going to use my ORS wig hold super hold for my lace fronts. This is a really good one. It's better than even. I'm making sure that it is drying. So I'm going to apply my lace front. So I'm carefully applying my lace front on. So I'm going to press it down very gently, not hard, very gently. So you guys can, make sure that you don't, irritate your skin. So I'm just pressing down on each side while I pull the back of the wig. Make sure that it is down and that it's not looking like a hat. So I want it to look natural as possible. So I'm pulling that down and I must take a little bit of spray. I'm spraying right there where my part is because I want, I want it to look good. I want it to slay. So I am doing that. And I'm also making sure that I'm pulling the back down as well. And I'm making sure once again, the lace front at the top, I already tied that down. So we're going to go ahead and start applying our Ruby Kisses moisturizer skin product, and I'm going to start applying this on my face all everywhere. So I'm just going back and forth, make sure in the creases of my nose, just making sure everywhere so it won't be dry while I apply my makeup. So I'm just making sure, you guys, because sometimes when I don't apply enough, my skin be really dry and then my makeup be really flaky, and that makes me so mad. So now I'm going to start with my Precision eyebrow pencil by Ruby Kisses. I'm using the color brown. This is just a regular brown auto twist, and I'm just filling in my brows, you guys. I really don't have to, but I'm just showing you guys how I fill in my brow. And then I'm going to go in with my golden all day everyday concealer, and I'm just going to apply in the crease to recreate this arch for you guys, which I call my Aaliyah eyebrows, which I love Aaliyah so much. One of my inspirations, definitely, most definitely. And I'm going to use my angle brush, and I'm just applying it carefully because you do not want to get this on your brows, and it's hard to take off and you have to start all over. So I'm just blending in that concealer right away. And you guys see how flawless that look. And I'm using the color Golden. It's the All Day Everyday Concealer by Ruby Kisses. So now I'm just making sure my brows, so I'm just going back in to apply and filling it in. So I want my brows to look really good. That's the first thing of your makeup looking good, is your brows are on point. So I'm just applying a little bit of my cappuccino concealer towards the top. And then I'm just going to go in with my angle brush, and I'm going to carefully blend that out. So you just have to be very careful. Please just do not rush through this process. Take your time. Trust me, you do not want to get it on your brows. So I'm just outlining the top because I want the hairs to be in place. I want my brows to look very neat. So I want my brows to look like I got them done from, at the eyebrow place. So I'm just carefully angling that. And I'm using my favorite Ruby Kisses, well, it's Kiss Pro face primer. This also is a good technique for your makeup to stay on all day. You definitely need your moisturizer and you need a primer. Trust and believe that. I'm going to use my nude eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite palettes for like everyday makeup looks. So this is a beginner friendly makeup palette, I would say. It's not too bold, but it's very warm and neutral colors. So I mostly just use the reddish brown color towards the bottom. And I'm just going back and forth. I just did the whole lid. And you can just do it like that as well. You don't have to do all the cut crease if you're not good at makeup. You can just have it like this. Then I'm going to show you guys the next step that I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with a lighter color, which is like a nude beige color that I'm applying in the inner corner of my eye. So I am doing that. I'm just applying that in the inner corner. And I'm just going to also bring it towards kind of like the middle of my eye. That's how I angle the cut crease, which I make sure that I can do it at the middle of my eye. And I am using a darker brown now, like a reddish brown. I'm using dark brown and like a reddish brown color. And I'm just blending out those two together. And it looks really good. And I'm just blending, blending, blending. And also, if you want to create your eyeshadow with a certain angle, I will definitely use tape. Tape is a good way to do your angles, but it's also a good way to your makeup won't be messy. It'll still look fresh and nice. So I'm just going back in with the my palette with the nude color, and it looks really good, you guys. It looks so good, very clean cut, and you can wear this really with anything. This eyeshadow look because it's really nude and it's just like an everyday look. So I really highly recommend this look. And I'm going to take some of my Aquarius glitter palette from Ruby Kisses. I'm using that bluish purple color towards the bottom. Now I am taking my finger and dipping it because it works better with my fingers, with the glitter, with the brush. Not particularly because it kind of separates. So I just usually just use my finger to apply the glitter because I'm applying different colors of glitter. I'm using a lighter green. I'm using like a darker blue. So I'm mixing all those different colors of glitter all together. So as you guys can see what I'm doing, I love how that glitter is coming out. So I just keep playing to see in direction which one fits well with my makeup. And then I'm going to do the eyeliner. As you guys can see, I'm just eyelining. And I'm just going to fill it in as well. And that tape, I'm telling you guys, this is the best beauty hack ever, especially for a beginner. If you don't know how to apply eyeliner, this is it. And it looks so good, you guys. It looks really good. Now I'm going to remove the tape, you guys. And you see how clean it looks underneath, like really clean. So now I'm going to start applying my tint moisturizer, warm coconut. I'm just going to apply just a little bit because it is a little dark. So I use that a little bit. Then I use my cappuccino concealer, and they all from Ruby Kisses. So I'm just applying a little bit of that concealer, and then I'm gonna use my setting spray by Ruby Kisses. This is the oil of control, of which is of the shine, and I spray some on my brush, and then I'll start blending in the moisturizer and concealer. So you guys see how it really looks. It looks really good. It looks very natural. I didn't do too much. I just put a little bit of concealer and tint moisturizer, and that's it. I didn't need a lot of makeup. I just applied some a little bit to make the makeup look very natural for beginners. And now I'm applying my Maybelline mascara. So I am giving some my lashes a break. So I'm just doing my real lashes. and I'm applying and just giving it a break a little bit. So I hope you guys did enjoy this look. So whether you're just starting or looking to refresh your routine, these tips will help you create a stunning, effortless look. Makeup that turns heads everywhere you go. So I hope you guys did enjoy this beginner-friendly guide. Please don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe to my platform. And you guys, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below as well and follow.